Hello guys, I am Magicolo and today I'm very happy to show you how hack this game Slime Laboratory, because it's the best game in the world. I think slime is the best thing ever invented ever. This is how to hack. Okay, this is Google toggle good mode, groove, win level. Okay, we can reserve gravity, reverse gravity, how we like. Look at this, we can do all we want. We can grow like a very super slime. I really love this. Reverse gravity, to try reverse gravity. We have the God mode, so we can do all we want. This is very nice, guys. I really love slime, because slime is green, slime is life. Next level, win next level. Okay, win next level. I would like to show the very best grow no limit like this. I love it, guys, I really love it, and you can do the same with this hack in the link in sub and the info video.